Is your Instagram Notes feature not working? Can't figure out why it's not showing up on your profile? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to troubleshoot and fix the issue quickly so that it won't happen again. I will discuss the potential causes of the problem and provide solutions that are easy to follow. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and search for Instagram. And then, if you have the option to update your Instagram app to the latest version, go ahead and do that. Because if you are using an outdated app, you won't see the Notes feature. You simply need the latest version of the app to access all the latest features Instagram has to offer. Once you update your app, open it up, and hopefully, you'll have the Notes feature. If you still don't see the Notes option, then you have to uninstall and reinstall the Instagram app. So on an iPhone, you can locate the app on your home screen. Once you find it, tap and hold the app. And then simply tap on Remove App. And then select Delete App. After you delete your Instagram app, you have to reinstall it on your phone. If you did all of these steps and you still don't see the Notes feature, then it might simply be unavailable in your country or region. And if that's the case, there is nothing you can do to get it. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.